Waiting for the freaking cinematographer. He'll be here shortly. First he told us he was here, and then we got here, and he's like, oh, I'm on my way.
You guys like the outfits that we're gonna have in My Queen? You know what I'm saying? Mine was brought to you. I asked a couple of supporters, like, oh, what should I wear? I was like texting them some some pictures of the outfit and everything. They're like, oh, wear that. So yeah, thank you for my supporters, our supporters. Oh, thank you for our supporters for helping get Jaku's outfit.
My personal stylist, M. Guam. I gotta throw that out there.
This dude.
Oh man, got this implant on deck. My little sis, you know what I mean? I got a designer who got me right with the jacket, the team joint. They looking fresh. We got the best lady fans, so we look good for y'all. You know what I mean? So.
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Cahtel.
Get next to me, get next to me, my crew. Get next to me, get close to me, my crew. Come close to me, come close to me.
Tell me no goodies till the rain going down.
Get next to me, get next to me, my crew. Get next to me, get next to me, my crew. Get next to me, get close to me. Smoking kinda like a hooker, yeah. You the one, yeah, I promise you the one, and I know that you and I will make a good son. Girl, you my promise steady one, yeah. My crew, get next to me, get close to me, my crew, come close to me, come close to me, yeah.
What you do, boss lady? She said, boss lady, lady.
Used to be that fresh prince, but now I'm sitting on my throne. Just got a castle, but it's no home. What's missing? Someone I gotta bind you, my queen.
Get next to me,
so beautiful.
Get next to me, my crew. Get next to me, get next to me, my crew. Get next to me, get close to me, my crew. Come close to me, come close to me, yeah.
Be the man for the night, I could be the man for the night. I need a queen for the night, and you could be my queen for the night. For the night, baby, be my queen for the night. Baby, be my queen for the night, baby, be my queen for the night.
Sweetie say boss man, sweetie say boss man, boss man. Sweetie say boss man, sweetie say boss man, boss man. Sweetie say boss lady, sweetie say boss lady, lady. What do you do, boss lady? Sweetie say boss lady, lady. The Cahtel, back at it again. Haven't done a video in a while though.
Wow, baby, 605 up. Yeah, shutting it down, just getting ready. What can I say?
It's your boy Maja, doing it for all the queens in the game. My African queens. That's about all I do for it. That's all I do.
Shooting My Queen right now. Everybody's around us just looking at us like, who are these guys? But yeah, they should already know who we are. Thanks for the support on the Change video. I see you guys liked it. And we have Pull Up coming out, and we also have a vlog coming out, and of course My Queen. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Sweetie say boss man, sweetie say boss man, boss man. Sweetie say boss man, sweetie say boss man, boss man. Sweetie say boss lady, sweetie say boss lady, lady. What do you do, boss lady? Sweetie say boss lady, lady.